You've got a great backyard, but is something missing? We bet it's a pond. If you've dreamt of adding a small pond or water feature to your yard, or you're considering updating an existing one, meet the TotalPond All-in-One Pond Bundle. This bundle has all the essential pond equipment to get you started, and it's all in one box. Included in the bundle is a 7 by 10 foot PVC liner, a complete filter kit with pump and fountain nozzle, a koi spitter, a 12-foot roll of 1/2 inch vinyl tubing, and a pond and landscape mini LED light set. The durable, puncture-resistant 7 by 10 foot PVC pond liner is lightweight and easy to install. The complete filter kit houses an energy-efficient pump and filter media that biologically and mechanically clean your pond water. The filter kit's pump powers both the water spray fountain nozzle and the koi spitter, providing decoration and aeration to your pond. The pond and landscape mini LED lights can be placed in and around the pond to illuminate your water feature. Now you can finally add or update that pond to make your backyard dream a reality. You'll be proud of your creation as you make it your own and enjoy it day and night.